Former ZANU-PF Youth League, Godfrey Tsenengamu, has reclaimed he is prepared to review what he describes as politically damaging information about a 7 cabinet minister whom he alleges opposed President Mnangagwa before the November 2017 military intervention. Sarabina Mashuko Blanyo Kopangwa Tsenengamu threatens to drop Bombshell. Ready for subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. TV Pangwa in Zim I Mobile Consciency. Tsenengamu, who is in recent years emerged as one of President Mnangagwa's outspoken critic after his fallout with the ruling party, made the remarks on social media over the weekend. In his post, Tsenengamu recounted events from the intense factional battles that gripped ZANU-PF between 2015 and 2017, when supporters of the then Vice President Mnangagwa, known as Team Lacoste, were locked in a bitter succession struggle with the government. Generation G40 faction aligned to the late former First Lady Grace Mugabe. According to Tsenengamu, he and fellow Team Lacoste activists often struggled financially while campaigning in defense of Mnangagwa, sometimes sharing inexpensive meals in central Harare after holding a press conference. The former youth leader did not provide evidence to support his claims, and no cabinet minister is publicly responding to the allegations. Tsenengamu was once among the most vocal defenders of Mnangagwa during the fierce internal ZANU-PF succession battles that culminated in the military-assisted removal of former President Robert Mugabe in 2017. As a prominent Team Lacoste activist, he regularly addressed press conferences attacking the G40 faction and defending Mnangagwa after his dismissal as vice president. However, relations between Tsenengamu and the ruling party later deteriorated. He was expelled from ZANU-PF in 2020 after openly criticizing the party leadership, and he has since remained an outspoken commentator on the country's political affairs. In recent years, he has repeatedly accused the Mnangagwa administration of corruption, state capture, abandoning the ideals of that Team Lacoste claimed to champion between the 2017 succession struggle. His latest remarks come against the backdrop of continuing speculation over divisions within ZANU-PF, particularly as succession debates and internal factional dynamics continue to shape the party's politics ahead of future electoral contests. Kama developments are pangwa ine. Pedagogy section metu zafungira able to be observed page ko each. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.